Hi guys at Formidable. Formidable Pro, I should say. We've created a form here that what it does is it creates a custom post type, and it's a very, very simple form. It just has for the movie name, and then when that's submitted, it creates which we've created a custom post type over here. It creates a custom post of movie review is what it does. So now, the form, as I said, is very, very simple, but it has to call two other forms. What it does is we have the movie name here, and then in two hidden fields, we have the shortcodes for two other forms that get placed in. This is the form that gets placed in the excerpt, and this is the form that gets placed in the content. I'll show you these down here. We have them. It's just like these. They're just the default hidden fields. Okay. And then over here in settings, we've told it to create a custom post type of movie review. And the post title is the movie name. But then over here, we've got content, and the post content is content, and the excerpt is excerpt, which it's pulling from those two hidden fields. It's pulling content, and then it's pulling the excerpt from those two hidden fields. And those are, as I said before, those are the hidden fields that we have here. And as you can see, the content and the hidden fields, the short codes are just how they're supposed to be, as a matter of fact. But now, when we come out here, and I'll call this test 10, come out there and I create the short code, or I create the custom post type. I come back out here to movie reviews. When I go to test 10 draft, which is waiting for approval, when it's entered in these short codes, it's put in double quotes around them. Two sets of double quotes, both for the excerpt and both up here. And yes, by the way, we have the code for the excerpt to work correctly. But so I don't really understand why it's throwing in double quotes. It seems to me, I don't know if it's WordPress doing that, if it's Formidable doing that, if it's just kind of some glitch in there. I'm not quite for sure. But that's what it's doing when it creates that. Now, when we create a regular Add Movie Review, these are automatically being put in, and there's no problem there. Okay, these are automatically getting inputted in, and it's doing that through a couple of very, very quick functions that we added to our PHP file. Let me go ahead and show you those functions right there. And that's these functions right here. Oh, I'm sorry, it goes all the way up to there. So those are the functions that we've added in. But as you can see, when they're adding in the shortcode, and they're adding them in quotes here, we don't have a problem. They get added in correctly. We removed this code, just to let you know, to see if that's what was causing the issue. It was not causing the issue, I'm afraid. So I don't know exactly what is, but unfortunately, whenever we create a movie review custom post type from the form that we've created that creates that custom post type here, it's putting in these two sets of double quotes for each shortcode right there around the ID number. So anyway, that's what it's doing, and we would appreciate any help you guys could give us. Thanks.